Today we are going to draw a tree. So what's the first letter of a tree?
T.
T. Good. High five. Good. All right. So today we are going to draw a tree to represent the letter T. Okay. All right. So pick up your pen. Good. Your pencil,
and
your
paper.
color pens and paper, so that you can draw along with us. Okay. All right, Summer. Let's start. So from here, somewhere at the middle here. Okay. You draw 2 lines. So from the middle here, come up a bit.
Yeah.
Draw 2 lines like this.
It looks like you're drawing hate.
Yours is wide, but it's okay. So this is, make the base like this and take this up a little bit more. Okay, so curve it off this way and curve this one off this way. Alright, then from here make another line near each other. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Then make another line like this. From this point, bring it down a bit more, come down. Then draw off this, go up, another line. Good. And from here, come down again, near it, and come down. Yes, from there.
Oh, here.
Yeah, you can start from anywhere. You can start from here and go up. Good, like that. Then draw another one again like this. Good. And then from here, make another one as well. And from here, curve it and come here. Draw another. Wait. Alright, from here. Wait, this is for this, this is for this. Then from here, curve it from here. Then draw it straight to this one. Near this one, it should be close to this other one. It should come close to this one. Don't take it far away. Alright, awesome. Okay, so what we are going to do now is from here, make curvy shape
Like
for the tree. Yeah, you have to come down and go around. Yeah, and stop here at this one. This is where you're going to end. Good. So the same way, you start from somewhere here again. Watch and see what I do. I will stop here and I will come somewhere here and go like this. Watch and see before you start. Curve it. Okay, then start from somewhere here and curve. Go here, start from somewhere here. Curve it up. Good. And then finally continue curving it. And you end it at this point of the tree. Good. Alright. Then watch again. I'm going to draw another curve here. Stop here. And then from here, curvy. Watch and see. Curvy. And end on this one again. So you start here, curve here, and then go here and curve it round it. No, okay? No, curve out, not in. It's okay, don't clean it. Let's go ahead and curve. Curve it out. From here, curve it like this. Good. Then go from here, curve up. Continue to curve until you join here. Good. Awesome. So the same way, you see this one again. From here, curve again, and then you curve round and join here. Watch, see what that is going to do. I curve here, and then from here, I curve. Join here. Alright. Wonderful. Okay. Then curve it from there. Continue to curve. Come down here and curve and join. Good. Awesome. Wow. This is a wonderful tree. This is wonderful. Can you join this tree here? Join this place together. Good. Okay, so let's add some fruits.
I
Two.
want to add different foods.
Yeah, just draw a circle. Just draw a line and a circle like this. Circle for fruits. And some will be hanging low. Okay.
Daddy, this one is orange.
Alright, okay. Just keep drawing. Put more, some more. Put some more. Okay. You have to draw a line first on the tree and then put the circle. Don't put the circle on top. You draw a line, you put the circle under the tree. It has to hang from under. Put it, yeah, under there. Make the circle. Okay, is that alright? You want to put more? Okay, go ahead. Alright, okay. So let's use our green.
Green.
So we can paint the tree, okay, no, sorry, let's start with our orange. So I'll paint the tree trunk.
Paint the tree trunk.
Yeah, okay.
Paint the tree trunk.
Let's start. Paint it yellow and orange, I mean. Wow, this is so fine. Wow, our friends, I hope you're able to follow us and also draw along with us. Summer, do you like your tree?
Yes.
Yeah, that's so fine. And T is for tree. Can you write a T?
Yeah.
Go ahead and write T for tree. Wow, that's awesome. T for tree. So thank you so much for joining us in this video. I hope you enjoyed our drawing. Please keep watching our videos. Summer, what do you say?
Subscribe to the channel.
Please subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.